Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another episode of Culinary Delights. Today, I've got a fantastic recipe that's going to elevate your dinner game. Spiced beef mince with jacket potatoes and a dollop of tangy yogurt. This dish is not only delicious but also incredibly satisfying. Trust me, this one's a crowd pleaser and it's surprisingly easy to whip up. Perfect for a family dinner or even a casual get-together with friends. Picture this, it's a chilly evening, and you're craving something hearty, but a little different. Something that warms you up from the inside out. Enter this spiced beef mince. It's the perfect blend of spices and tender beef that will make your taste buds dance. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. Imagine the scent of spices wafting through your kitchen. But first, let's talk about our ingredients. Freshness is key here. For the beef mince, we're going to need some good quality minced beef, onions, garlic, and a medley of spices that'll add a punch of flavor. The better the quality, the better the taste. We're talking cumin, paprika, coriander, and a hint of cinnamon. These spices will give the dish its unique and irresistible flavor. Oh, and don't forget the chili flakes if you like a bit of heat. Adjust to your preference. Start by heating a splash of oil in a pan and tossing in your chopped onions. The sizzling sound is music to a cook's ears. You want to cook these until they're soft and golden. This forms the base of our dish, adding a sweet and savory depth. Next in goes the garlic. The aroma of garlic cooking is simply divine. Now the star of the show, the beef mince. Make sure to break it up well. Break it up with a spoon, letting it brown nicely. This step is crucial for developing that rich, meaty flavor. This is where the magic happens. The beef starts to caramelize, adding layers of flavor. Once the beef is browned, sprinkle in your spices. The smell? Absolutely divine. It's like a symphony of aromas. Let the spices mingle with the meat for a couple of minutes. This allows the flavors to infuse deeply. Now add a tin of chopped tomatoes and let it simmer. The tomatoes add a lovely acidity that balances the spices. This bit is crucial. It allows all those flavors to meld together beautifully. Patience is key here. While that's simmering away, let's get our jacket potatoes sorted. They're the perfect vessel for our spiced beef. Give them a good scrub, prick them with a fork, and pop them in the oven. This helps them cook evenly. You want them to be crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. The perfect texture contrast to our rich beef mince. This usually takes about an hour, so be patient. Now let's talk yogurt. It's the cooling element that balances the dish. Plain Greek yogurt is perfect for this dish. It's thick, creamy, and has a slight tang. You're going to mix it with a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and some chopped fresh mint. This adds a refreshing note. This cool, creamy concoction is the perfect counterbalance to our spiced beef. It's like a little bit of heaven in every bite. Right, our beef mince should be rich and thick by now, and the potatoes should be just about done. Everything is coming together beautifully. Slice open a potato, fluff up the insides with a fork, and spoon over a generous helping of that spiced beef. The combination is simply irresistible. Top it off with a dollop of your minted yogurt. There you have it, a dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Spiced beef. Mince with jacket potatoes and yogurt. It's a feast for the eyes and the palate. It's hearty, it's flavor-packed, and it's bound to become a favorite. Perfect for any occasion. Give it a go and let me know how you get on in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and see your creations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe. Your support means the world to me. Subscribe for more delicious dishes coming your way. Catch you next time. Happy cooking!